chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, all those nights lying by your side, like we survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm testing out a new eyeshadow palette that has just hit the drugstore. But unfortunately, this palette is limited edition, so I wanted to get this video out quick, just in case you want it, because you're gonna have to buy it, because soon it will be gone into the world of discontinued products. Today I am going to review the new Rimmel Spice palette. This palette comes with 12 shades. You get 6 matte shades, and then the rest are shimmers. So you get 6 matte, 6 shimmers. So I think it's really great in a palette to have half mattes and half shimmers, just because it's really hard to do a whole eye look with just shimmers, and then a lot of people want to have a little combination of the two. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do a look for you using this palette, and that will be it. So if you would like to see how I create something, please keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this really light, it's like a light beige kind of brownish shade. I'm going to set my whole eye with that. I've already applied some concealer on my eye as my eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to go in. They're definitely, so far, it's definitely a little bit powdery.
Under your spotlight.
Okay, so I'm going to go right underneath the brow bone with this shimmery white shade here on the end. So we're going to take a little bit of that. And I'm just going to place it, whoa. Holy Batman. That is some pigment. Now it's in my eyebrows. Damn it. Okay, so basically you need a tiny amount of this. And I mean tiny. Like, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Okay, so that shade is like overly pigmented to the point where it's crazy. So I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, so in the crease, I'm gonna take this, it's more of a warm brown color. This is a matte shade, so I'm gonna take that on a fluffy brush and work it into the crease.
Round and round we go, losing self-control.
Okay, so far I can tell you that these shadows are highly pigmented. They do have kickback, like, I don't know if you can see here. So there is kickback when you put your brush in it, but the pigmentation, I'm gonna give it a really high review. And they're blending out really nicely, and it's not patchy so far. Everything's been blending really nicely. So far I'm pretty impressed. So I'm also gonna take a little bit of the same shade and smudge it underneath the lower lash line. So next I'm taking this shade here, which is kind of like a dark brown, but that it has a really nice plum kind of coloring into it. So we're going to take that. So basically I'm going to create a halo eye. So I'm going to push this product on the outer corner of the eye. Then I'm also going to take the same shade and go in the inner corner of the eye. So I'm getting a little bit of fallout with the shades. I'm just going to brush it away. Tiny bit of fallout. Okay, now to blend everything out, I'm going to take the same shade again, and I'm going to take it on more of a fluffy brush and start to really work it into the crease. I'm going to extend it out a bit, just like into a little bit of a V. So I'm taking a little bit more of the deep shade here. I'm also going to take the same color again, and we're going to extend it right into the lower lash line, just keeping it right in the corner. Once everything is blended, normally I go back in with the same shade again, and I kind of like to just pat over the areas down here in the corner and the outer corner, just because when I blend, some of the pigmentation gets swept away, and add a bit more to the sides and then to the inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a shimmer shade. But I'm going to use a little sponge applicator they gave us in the palette. I'm going to start by pressing the pigment on into the middle of my eye. I'm going to take the same color and use a little bit in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back into the creases to really kind of define it and make it pop. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to use a purple shade. So we're going to go in with this purpley kind of shadow here on the end. And I'm just going to work it into the crease, but keeping it right in that socket line, and that's just intensifying the whole look and adding some nice definition. So next I'm just going to apply a winged liner. I'm going to add some Smashbox. This is the fishnet gel liner. I'm going to put it up in the waterline up at the top. On the lower lash line, I'm going to add this Nude by Nature. This is in the color brown, number 2. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with just a coat of mascara, a very light one on the top part, just because I'm going to be adding some fake eyelashes. So I'm just going in with the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara and giving that a quick coat. So next I'm going to add a pair of Sali Lashes in the style Sophisticated. So to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color from Rimmel in the style Strapless. Okay, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Overall, I think this palette is definitely worth your money, and I think you should buy it before it runs out. Sometimes the drugstore palettes, they're a hot mess. I'm telling you, this one is worth your money. There's 6 mattes, there's 6 shimmers. They're all super highly pigmented. They blend out like a dream. I created a stunning eyeshadow look with this palette, and it was effortless, and it's drugstore, and I think it's unbelievable. Especially if you really like a warm eyeshadow palette, I really think you should check this out. I think it is spectacular. The only thing is, I wish they had a mirror. You know, you wish that in every palette. Some kickback when you put your brush in the shadows. There's also some fallout a little bit on your face, but it's nothing major. And I really think for a drugstore palette, I think this is a great buy and it's a great find. So if you're looking for a nice warm eyeshadow palette, you need to buy this before it disappears. If you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.